In this video, you are going to learn about HTML lists. HTML lists allow web developers to group a set of related items in a list. So there are three types of lists. First one is the ordered list, second one is unordered list, and the third one is description list. So in order to create lists in your HTML file, you are going to use these following tags. So the first one is UL tag, it defines an unordered list. Second one is OL tag, defines an ordered list. The third one is LI tag, defines a list item. The fourth one is DL tag, which defines a description list. The fifth tag is DT tag, which defines a term in a description list. And the last one is DD tag, which describes the term in a description list. So in this HTML file, I have created three lists in the body section. So on the browser, it looks like this. So the first one is unordered list, the second one is the ordered list, and lastly there's the description list. So now let's see the syntax to create these lists. So for unordered list, first you will write the UL tag, and inside that you will write the list items inside the LI tag. Similarly, for ordered list, the syntax for list items remain the same, but for ordered list you will use the tag OL. Now the syntax for description list is a little different. So for description list you will use the tag DL, and for list items you will use two tags, DT tag and DD tag. Now DT tag is to define a description list item and DD tag is to describe the description list item. So as you can see on the browser, the word coffee is a list item and black hot drink is its description. So you have to write the word coffee inside DT tag and its description inside DD tag. So that is the syntax for description list. So I hope you have learned how to create these three types of lists. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.